This is a previous year ISRO question. 3 CPU bound tasks with execution times of 15, 12 and 5 operating units arrive at the times 0, t and 8 respectively. If the operating system implements shortest remaining time first scheduling algorithm, what should be the value of t to have 4 context switches? Ignore the context switches at time t equal to 0 and at the end. And we are given 4 options. A. 0 less than t less than 3. B. T equal to 0. C. T less than or equal to 3. D. 3 less than t less than 8. So assume first option. So let's take t equal to 2. Now we have taken t is equal to 2. So we have the time as follows. We have 3 processes and their arrival time and burst time when t equal to 2. Arrival time is 0, 2 and 8 and the burst times are 15, 12 and 5. Now let's draw the Gantt chart for this. This is the Gantt chart we are drawing. So initially at time t equal to 0, only process 1 comes. So it runs for how many units? Let's assume it runs for 2 units. So now process, this is P0, P1 and P2. And we have 15 units of time here, 12 units of time here and 5 units of time here. So at time t equal to 2, till that time the process P0 runs. So we have remaining 13 units. So now a context switch happens and the shortest remaining time is 12. Now P1 runs and the process P1 runs till 8 units of time when another process comes. So that process time has a burst time of 5 and 12 minus how much we have here, 6 minus 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So for 6 unit it runs. So here the time would be 6 and so it will be running till 8. The next context switch happens. So P2 will be context switched. So P2 will be running till 13 units of time. After this is over, now P1 would be running. So another context switch happens. So P1 would be running till 19 units of time. Then after that another context switch happens. Then P0 would be running. So till 32. So we are asked to ignore the context switch at the beginning and end. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here this delta symbol is the context switch. It is just a symbol to denote context switch. So we have 4 context switches here. So option A can be considered a correct answer, but let's explore some more options. So for option A we have 4 context switch. Now we move on to the other option, that is t equal to 0. For t equal to 0 we'll be having, that is the table would be as follows. Both process P0 and P1 arrive at time t equal to 0 and the third process would come at time 8 and the burst times would be 15, 12 and 5. P0, P1, P2 are arrival time. This is burst time. So now let's consider at time t equal to 0. What happens is P1 runs because it is having the minimum amount of time. Let's draw the time period. P0 is having 15, P1 is having 12 and P2 is having 5. So P1 runs till the whole time because at time 8 P2 comes at t equal to, at time 8 the process P2 comes, but now 12 minus 8 we have 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So the P1 process runs till 12 units. Then a context switch happens. So this is completed. Now we have process P2 that will be put into the queue and it will be running till 17 unit. Next we have P0. So it will be context switch and it will be running till 32 units of time. So at t equals 0, we have only 3 context switches. So it cannot be the right option. So let's consider the next option, that is t less than t less than 8. Assume t is equal to 5. So we have the following. Draw the time as follows. So arrival time followed by burst time. We have P0, P1 and P2. So here 0, here 5 and here 8. We have 15, 12 and 5. Now let's draw the tree. I mean the Gantt chart. So at P0 till 5 units, the process P0 runs. Then when we compare at t equal to 5, again P0 only would be running. So P0 would be running till 8. Then next a context switch happens. Then the process P3 would be running till 5 more units. So at 13. Then again the process P1 would be running till the time 20. Then again another context switch happens and completely the process P3 runs. So sorry, it wouldn't be P0, it will be P0 would be running. So we have 3 context switches here. So going by the options, the correct answer is option A. So we have 4 context switches here.